Hi. I'm here to talk to you about how to cook potatoes, 3 easy ways to cook potatoes video. 3 easy ways to cook potatoes. There are hundreds of ways of cooking potatoes, and when combined with other ingredients, it is possible to produce some of the best foods known to man. Baked potatoes. Fried potatoes. Mashed potatoes. If you enjoyed my video, please take a moment to like it below and be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you want to learn more about cooking potatoes, just follow the link below this video. Thanks for stopping by, and come again soon. Hope you found it useful. For more information, please click the link in description.